Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 6, 2023, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, September 6, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong September 6, 2023, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 6, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for September 7, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 6, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.